If you're working out, eating clean, but still feel tired, weak, and soft, and worse, your drive is completely dead, and you have zero energy left for the bedroom, you're not overtraining. Your testosterone is crashing. And the worst part, you're probably killing it every single day without even realizing it. Right now, the average American man has half the testosterone his grandfather had. And in a high-stress, competitive country like the US, that's a silent disaster for your career and your confidence. This isn't genetics, it's your daily habits. And I'm going to show you the exact ones destroying you, starting with the worst. Number 1, the 2 a.m. doom scroll. You're lying in bed, phone in your face, telling yourself just 5 more minutes. Then suddenly, it's 2 a.m. That screen is blasting blue light into your brain, telling it it's daytime. Your sleep gets wrecked. Your cortisol spikes. And here's what most people don't understand. Your body produces most of its testosterone while you're in deep sleep. So if you're sleeping 5 hours a night, your testosterone drops to the level of someone 10 to 15 years older. That's not a small problem. That's a hormonal crash. Fix? Put your phone away 1 hour before bed. No excuses. No, just one more scroll. Protect your sleep or accept low testosterone. Now this next one is worse because you're doing it every single day. Number 2, cheap plastics. You drink from plastic bottles. You microwave food in plastic containers. And when plastic heats up, it leaks chemicals like BPA into your food. These are endocrine disruptors, meaning they mess with your hormones. They literally mimic estrogen in your body. So while you think you're being healthy, you're increasing estrogen and suppressing testosterone. Fix? Switch to glass or stainless steel and never heat food in plastic again. This one is straight up brutal. Number 3, liquid sugar. Sodas, energy drinks, sweetened coffee. You drink them for energy, but all they do is spike insulin and build belly fat. And here's the part most people never hear. That belly fat isn't just sitting there. It's actively converting your testosterone into estrogen. The more fat you gain, the worse it gets. That's why you feel stuck. Fix? Cut liquid sugar completely. Water, black coffee, sparkling water. Drop the fat and your testosterone starts coming back. But it's not just what you're putting in your body. It's where you're spending your 9 to 5. Number 4, living like a vampire. You wake up, go inside, stay inside, come home. No sunlight at all. Sunlight gives you vitamin D, and vitamin D isn't just a vitamin. It acts like a hormone your body needs to produce testosterone. No sunlight equals low vitamin D equals low testosterone. Fix? Get 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight every morning. No phone, no distractions, just sunlight. You don't need supplements, you don't need testosterone boosters. You're not broken, you're just sabotaging yourself. Fix these 4 habits and your energy, strength, and body will start changing. If you're actually serious about fixing your T levels, I want you to comment the word commit below. It's a small signal to yourself that today is the day you stop sabotaging your body. I'll see you in the next one.